we're at Arqiva site, which is a Penmon MF site. This has now been felled today as it's now become redundant. We'll be using a new system we've got, which is a quick release clamp, where we'll connect all 3 stays to this quick release clamp, and we'll be able to stand clear of it, so we'll all be safely away from the stays, and someone will pull the pin, which will release 3 stays all at one time, and it should fall where we want it to fall. This mast redundant now is because it's quite old now, and the services have now been transferred elsewhere, so they've just transferred it and decided that now it's time to pull it down.